Good morning, scholars. Welcome back. This is Miss Smith, and I just want to say I'm glad to be back, glad to teach you guys, and I truly missed you. Today is Monday, March 30th, and we will continue to work on World War I. Before I begin with our lesson, our questions of the day is what are you feeling, and what is one interesting thing that you have done or learned over the last few days? Personally, I am feeling a little anxious and a little depressed because I miss you. I love being in my classroom and I love being around you guys. I cannot wait until this crisis is over so we can get back into the classroom and I can be Betty Betty again. Now, the most interesting thing that I've learned is that I'm no longer a runner. I love track, I'm awesome at it, but my son, he murdered me. So, make sure you can answer those two questions. Now, today, we will be dealing with a World War I recruiting poster for African American soldiers, and we will be practicing inference, looking at the poster and answering questions based on what the author might have been thinking. In this poster, it's called Colored Man is No Slacker. What is a slacker, you ask? A slacker is a person who half does a job, very laid back, very lackadaisy, very lazy. And if you did complete your essay, which before I continue, I would like to give a quick shout out to the following scholars who did do their essay on African American soldiers and their contribution to World War I. Sean, Lucy, Gavin, Zaya, Markayla, Karma, Maritza, Chloe, Bianca, and Riley. Thank you guys. I really appreciate your hard work and diligence. Those of you who did not complete it, you still have time. Now, again, this is a primary source, and it is discussing or viewing patriotism, self-sacrifice, and courage of African American soldiers. What you're going to be able to do is view the poster, and you have 10 questions that you're going to need to answer. Most of you have the hard copy to this. Actually, I think all of you have the hard copy to this. So what you will do is review the poster and answer the questions. Now, you can do this two ways. You can go into Google Classroom because there's a virtual packet in there as well. You could create a document, label it 1 to 10, answer your questions, label it from 1 to 10, write those answers on that document, upload it into Google Classroom, and I will grade it. Or you can work on your hard copy, take a picture, upload it to Google Classroom, and I will grade that. So you have multiple ways of finishing this work for today. Again, you're going to answer those two questions, review the poster, ooh, thank you, Lord, and answer the 10 questions. If you have any questions or any concerns, my office hours for Monday through Friday is 1 to 4 p.m. You can text me, you can Google Classroom me, you can Class Dojo me, and you can email me. And I'll be more to help you through this. So again, Monday, March 30th, your morning questions, review the poster, answer the 10 questions. You can do the hard copy, take a screenshot, upload it, or create a doc right in Google Docs, and then share it with me. Either way, it needs to be done on Monday. Love you. Talk to you later. Smooches.